Emma woke up late. Her alarm didn't ring. She wore 2 different socks. And when she finally rushed into a small mountain cafe near the lake, she realized she had left her wallet at the hotel. Perfect start, she thought. Is it possible to pay later? Emma asked the barista, already knowing the answer. Before the awkward silence could grow, a voice came from behind her. "I've got it." Emma turned around to see a stranger holding a cup of coffee, smiling like this kind of chaos happened to him often. "Oh no, that's not necessary," she said quickly. "It's fine," he replied. "You look like Switzerland is already testing you." She laughed, half embarrassed, half relieved. "Is it this obvious?" They sat at the same small table near the window. Snowy mountains framed the lake outside like a postcard. "I'm Emma," she said, lifting her cup carefully. "Jamie," he replied. "Local tour guide?" "Lost tourist. Best kind." Just as Emma took her first sip, someone bumped her chair. The coffee flew straight onto Jamie's jacket. Silence. Emma's eyes widened. "Oh my, I'm so sorry. I swear I'm not usually this dangerous." Jamie looked down at the stain, then back up at her. "Well, this is officially the most exciting thing that's happened to me all week." She blinked. "You're not angry?" He smiled. "If we survive this, I think we'll survive anything." She laughed, fully this time. To make up for it, Emma insisted on walking with him to the lake while his jacket air-dried. They walked side by side, joking about how bad first impressions usually go. "So," Jamie said, "what brings you to Switzerland?" Emma thought for a moment. "I think I needed to disappear without actually disappearing." Jamie nodded. "Yeah, that makes sense. No judgment, no fixing, just understanding." They reached the lake, clear and calm. Jamie skipped a stone across the water. "See?" he said. "Even mistakes make ripples, not disasters." Emma smiled at that. They spent the rest of the day wandering, by accident, not plan. Coffee turned into lunch. Lunch turned into a long walk. The awkwardness slowly turned into comfort. When the sun dipped behind the Alps, Emma realized something strange. She felt calm. Not excited, not nervous, just good. At the train station, she hesitated. "About the coffee," she said. "I still owe you." Jamie grinned. "Then I guess I'll have to see you again." They exchanged numbers. No promises, no expectations, just a story that started with a stain and turned into something worth keeping. Moral: sometimes the best connections begin with small accidents.
Where do we go from here?
Anywhere, as long as we're together.
Because when you stop trying to be perfect, life introduces you to people who like you as you are. Emma didn't plan to meet Jamie. She just showed up, messy, late, and human. And that was enough. And that's how we met. What about you? How did you meet your partner or someone special in your life? Tell me your story in the comments. And if you enjoy learning English through stories like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more English lessons. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care, keep practicing, and happy learning.